to the Spring 2025 Data 10 901D and 902D classes. Welcome once again. This is week 3 of our spring session. So let's go to week 3 now. This week we start with Microsoft Excel Chapter 2 on SimNet. So please log into SimNet. You will see Excel Chapter 2. Now you see Excel Chapter 1 has vanished, or it's overdue from last week. So you may not find the Chapter 1 here. So students, please understand there is no extra time or there is no extensions on this. You have to complete the work by the deadline, okay? For any reason, if you have not completed Excel Chapter 1, you can click on the library. You can click on Microsoft Office 365 and click on Excel here from the choose sections and complete Chapter 1 from here, okay? You can complete it and you will have to hold on to it until week 6. Week 6 is when we complete Microsoft Excel, all the 4 chapters. For example, if you see, this was week 1, we completed Excel Chapter 1. And then in week 3, we complete Excel Chapter 2. And then you submit all the exercises here. Week 4, you complete Excel Chapter 3. And then on week 5, we complete Excel Chapter 4. But at the end of Chapter 4, if you see, you will be able to see, for example, a late drop box for all people who have not been able to submit your SimNet exercises. You see this? This will be available on week 5 only. You can't see it now, so you cannot go and submit your late files now. The Dropbox will only be available from January 27th, on the week of March 2nd, which is week 5. Okay, so it will be available only from February 24th to March 2nd. At that time, all people who have submitted, who have not been able to submit your Excel files from Chapter 1, 2, 3, or 4, you could submit it right here. Okay, you will all receive 50% for all late submissions, just to be fair with the students who are doing it on time. Okay, so if you are unable to submit it on time, you have to wait until the late Dropbox opens up on February 24th to March 2nd. Okay, because I don't want students sending in any kind of emails with the files. Any file sent by email will not be accepted. You will have to submit it through the Dropbox, so it helps me to grade it through SimNet. Okay, that's for the late submissions. For people who have been emailing me saying that I was not able to complete the work on time, whatever is your issue, you will have to wait until week 5 and submit all your late submissions in the late Dropbox for Excel. Okay, right, now let's come back to week 3. Now we are in week 3. We start with Microsoft Excel Chapter 2. If you log into your SimNet, you will be able to see Excel Chapter 2 here. So click on Excel Chapter 2. Make sure you are in the correct class. You have to have Spring 2025 902D class, and you will be able to see the Spring 2024 901D class. Make sure you are in the correct section when you log in. If you are in another class from a previous semester, please click on select another class and select the right class here. Okay, right. And some of you have been emailing me that you're not able to access the book, which is Microsoft Office 365. Make sure you bought the correct book and entered the code. You should see Microsoft Office 2021 and Computer Essentials 2023. Okay, this may not be true for students who are using the earlier versions of the book. If you are using the earlier version of the book, you will have to call SimNet on the SimNet customer service number and talk to them and give you access to this. Okay, but for people who have bought your book, this semester you should have access to Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office 365. For students who have bought the SimNet Access last semester or the semester previously before, if you have done Data 10 and you weren't able to complete it, you're using the same book, I'm fine with that, but you will have to use the latest editions of the book. Call them and they may give you access to the new book. Okay, I cannot help you with the book because I don't have access to SimNet or their books and codes. Okay, right. If you have bought the book and you're still not able to see and you have a code, you have to click on your name here on the top and then you click on products. If you click products and then you enter your registration code here, this will actually add your books to your library. All right, everybody. So that's how you add your code to the you add your books to the library. If you have bought the book and you're unable to see it, you click on your name and then you click on products and then you enter your code here and click add my code. This will add both these books, Computer Essentials 2023 and Microsoft Office 365. Okay, the sooner you do it, it is much better because there, as I told you, every week you have to be completing your readings, you have to complete your Microsoft Office. Even though it's an asynchronous class, you will have to complete all the tasks given to you by each week by the end of that week. So we are on week 3 now. Complete Excel chapter 2 from the SimNet. Click on this and you will find 1, 2, and 3 exercises. Complete them. If you have any questions, you can read through these. Now, one happy news is that from this week, you have one-on-one tutoring available. For students who are having practical examples, when you do this, you're unable to do it. Some reasons why you may not see certain things in the menu. Some people have emailed me saying, oh, I'm not able to see format tabs in my email or on my Excel menu on my browser. See, two important things. Some of the functions are not available on your iPads, on your tablets, because tablets use a different version of Microsoft Office. Or if you are using a browser version, sometimes people do it on a Chromebook, it's on a browser. You have not installed Excel on your computer. You have to install the Excel on your computer and open the Excel app on your computer, not on the browser, and then start completing the work. The complete version of Office 365 Excel will actually give you all the menu options to complete. Okay, and some of you who are using Mac computers, you will have to figure it out because instead of control, you may have command, instead of Windows key, you may have a command key. You will have to figure it out yourself how to complete them. But you do have one-on-one tutoring available now. I am not allowed to tutor them one-on-one. Even if you contact me during the office hours, I can only answer a few questions. I cannot teach you from step 1 to step 2 to step 3. That's why we have given you the videos here. This is a step-by-step explanation of all the exercises. You can take a look at it. You can go through this over and over and over again and then complete your work. Okay. And once again, we have, if you go to the announcement sections, I have also sent you an email regarding the tutoring. Please check your emails. If you click on the announcements, it should tell you about the one-on-one tutoring that was available. Okay, I'm going to post it right here this week. But if you take a look at your emails, I have sent you the one-on-one tutoring option that is available, and the tutor can help you one-on-one. Okay, I will also make sure that the announcement is posted here with the contact information of the tutor. Okay, and in week 2, you also have an online discussion. Also, please complete your readings from the Computer Essentials books. Let me show you. Click on this library and click on Computer Essentials 2023 and click on Chapter 2 and read through this and Chapter 3. So you have 3 chapter readings this week. So complete all the chapters 2 and 3 from the Computer Essentials book. And then please do read through your, do your online discussion here and submit your Excel exercises. There are 3 of them this week by the due date. Okay. And some students are trying to, to borrow other students' Excel file and submit it. Please understand, SIMNet catches all of them. For example, see, I already have 11 students who have been reported for integrity violation, meaning if you borrow somebody else's or you copy somebody else's exercise and you submit them here, SIMNet will catch it when I grade it. Okay, it's only 1 week. You have submitted only one chapter's pause and practice exercise. I already have 11 students from both the classes trying to cheat. You will all get a 0 if you try to cheat for the whole Excel. Okay, immaterial whether you complete chapter 2, 3, 4, it doesn't matter. But if you have, if there is an integrity violation, you will get a 0. For the whole of Excel, no matter you completed chapter 2, 3, and 4 by yourself, but you still attempted to cheat on one chapter, it still applies to the whole of Excel, okay? And once again, Excel grades are only given to you after you complete all 4 chapters, okay? So this is week 3, complete your online discussion, complete your online readings, and complete your Microsoft Excel chapter 2 exercises from SIMNet. Okay. Good luck, everybody. If you do have any questions, please feel free to email me. Textbook issues, you will have to call the SIMNet customer service to have them issued, because as far as the books from the SIMNet in the class online, everything looks okay. But if you have any problems with your code, you will have to call SIMNet. Okay. But if you have any other questions regarding the classes, please feel free to email me. Once again, late submissions, I'm sorry, there are no extensions. You will have to hold on and submit them in the late drop box. Okay, so good luck, everyone. Once again, this is week 3 of the Data 10 asynchronous online classes. Good luck, everyone.